Hey guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know that I just uploaded an unboxing video yesterday. If you guys missed it, I did upload my Boxycharm video, but chances are if you are watching this video, you probably like unboxings. I just don't like to upload so many unboxings in the same week, just so I can switch it up. But I did just get my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus in the mail yesterday, and I actually missed December's video. So I wanted to make sure that I got January's video up for you guys on time because I said I was going to unbox this video or unbox this box for 6 months. And I believe January marks the 4th month. If you guys aren't familiar, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is Ipsy's upgraded subscription box. So basically, Ipsy has 2 different subscriptions. I'll put a picture on the screen with more info comparing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus to the original Ipsy subscription. But this subscription is a full-size subscription. So you pay $25 a month and you get 5 full-size products every single month. I know there is a wait list, but I haven't checked in with you guys in a month or two. So let me know in the comments below if you are still on the wait list or if you've been able to get off the wait list, just so other people who are reading the comments will have an idea as well. But I'll put more info in the description box below. This box is sent to me from Ipsy. They gave me a 6-month subscription. If I wanted to feature it on my channel, I could. If I didn't want to, I didn't have to. But I know a lot of you guys are curious about what is inside the box, so I hope these videos are helpful. So this is what the box looks like when you open it up. There is a card right here, and then there's usually like a piece of blue foam holding all of the products inside. I already see a Briogeo product, which is funny because we just got one in Boxycharm. Okay, so the first thing in here is from Briogeo. Briogeo is one of my favorite brands, but I was talking to you guys in the comments of my video last night, and a lot of you guys were saying you always get this product in subscription boxes, which I feel like I always get it too. It's actually one of my favorite products, so honestly, I don't mind, but it is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. If you guys have dry hair or you have frizzy hair like I do, this is a nice product because it just makes your hair feel really moisturized. It kind of tames frizziness if that's not a look you're into, and I do really like it. It doesn't weigh my hair down. It smells really good. Works really well. So even though we keep getting it in subscriptions, I don't mind because it is one of my favorite products. Okay, the next thing in here is by Ofra. We literally just got, well, I got an Ofra liquid lipstick in my Boxycharm box this month as well. And they did rebrand all of their products, so everything is in new packaging. This one is their highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. I do own this. Let me actually grab mine. Okay, so here's mine. I just put it in my everyday makeup drawer for January and February because I really like this product and I haven't used it regularly for a little while. So this is what it used to look like. It came with like a clear lid in black packaging. This definitely looks nicer. It's a lot bulkier, but now it has like a mirror and like white square packaging. I'm actually just going to save this for a giveaway and include it in an upcoming giveaway for you guys because I do already own it. It's a really, really beautiful golden shade and it looks so pretty. And the formula is very, very lightweight, very beautiful on the skin. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Vasanti. I actually do have a facial scrub from the brand Vasanti that I use probably twice a week that I really enjoy. This is their Matte Crush Lipstick Pencil. I actually thought Vasanti was just a skincare brand. I didn't realize they had makeup as well. I was going to say that I'm not really that into crayon type products, but this is so gorgeous. Like, let me show you guys. It's so creamy, so smooth. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera like how smooth and creamy this is, but it feels really, really nice. It's very, very soft, and this is a really pretty color. It kind of looks like what I'm wearing today, but it's a little bit more pink, and I'm so picky for some reason when it comes to pinks. I like very specific shades of pink, but this formula feels really, really nice, and again, it is pretty similar to what I'm wearing today, so I will definitely try it out. And this also comes with like a jumbo sharpener, which is a nice touch because a lot of times if you don't have a jumbo sharpener in your collection, it's tough to use these products because you have to go buy one. Sometimes they can be hard to find, so it is nice they included it. Okay, there's actually 3 more products in here. I think this subscription is like a 5-product subscription. I'll read the card afterwards to see if they included a bonus product, but this is the Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. One thing that I like is that the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus subscription does tend to include mainly makeup, but you also get like a hair care product and a skincare product, which I think is a nice touch. It has a slight scent, but I can't really place it. It's nothing too strong. It's very, very lightweight. It does blend into the skin, but it feels pretty moisturizing. I actually think this would be really nice before makeup application because I think your makeup would go on really nicely on top. It feels a little bit like my Smashbox Primerizer, which I love. That's one of my favorite products. So I'll definitely try it out. It sounds promising. There's actually another skincare product in here by the brand Murad. I know a lot of people love and rave about this brand. This is their Acne Control Skin Perfecting Lotion. So it is an oil-free hydrator for blemish-prone skin. I could always use like a lightweight oil-free moisturizer though, and I'm currently working through a couple. I've made a good dent in my skincare collection over the past few months. I'm going to do an empties video soon, but I'll definitely try this out and let you guys know what I think. I know a lot of people do love this brand. Okay, the last thing in here is a palette. I think that we've gotten a palette every month. Last month, I didn't unbox it, but we actually got a quad. I forget which brand it is, but that was kind of a nice touch because a lot of times we do get such a large palette, so sometimes it's nice to get something a little bit smaller. Oh, this is from Voss, and it's actually one of their fun-sized eyeshadow palettes. I love that. So I've never tried Voss eyeshadows. I almost bought that colorful palette they released at the end of the summer, the Flamingo palette. But by the time they released it and I thought about grabbing it, we were kind of heading into fall, and I didn't think I would get as much use out of the colors. But if I try this and I love it, maybe I will add that palette to my collection for this upcoming summer. So this palette's nice because you get a mix of like warm tones and then also a bunch of really pretty berries. I love pinks. I love berries. They are my favorite to wear. So I am looking forward to trying this out. Again, I've never tried Voss, but I do think a lot of people like the brand. Let's just swatch a couple of the shades. So I have a couple of metallic shades, which seem to be very lightweight, very pretty. And then this matte shadow, this is really creamy, seems to be really blendable. Again, I tend to hear really good things about Voss shadows, so I don't doubt that the quality is going to be good. But we did get 6 products. I'm just adding up the value because I'm curious what it is right away. Oh my gosh, $181. That is so high. That's a very, very high value. And I don't feel like they threw in a random brand or a random product to inflate the value. Like sometimes with subscription boxes, they throw in an eyeliner and say it's like a $40 value. I don't feel like that happened this month because there are a lot of great brands, like great, well-known high-end brands that are known for having good quality, like Voss, Briogeo, Ofra. And then we got 2 skincare products as well. So I think this was a really good box, a great box to kick off January. Honestly, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is definitely giving Boxycharm a run for its money. So if you've unsubscribed from Boxycharm and you still want to try a subscription, this might be a good one. This is only the 4th box, so we'll see, but they've been consistently good. Anyways, that's the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.